Hey guys, I want to take a second to look at section 1.1 and 1.2 homework question number 8. It said find all points having an x-coordinate of 3 whose distance from the point -1, -4 is 5. Okay, and so let me get I think I have a pen on this. Alright, so what do we know? We know it has an x-coordinate of 3. So we know we have the point 3, y. And we have another point, -1, -4. And we know that our distance is equal to 5. So we know the distance formula is d equals the square root of the differences in the x's, x2 minus x1 quantity squared, plus the differences in the y's, y2 minus y1 quantity squared. All right, and so for this problem we might as well just look at what we have. We have d is 5. Our x2 we can say is -1, so this is -1 minus x1, which is the 3. So -1 minus 3 quantity squared plus y2, which is -4 minus y quantity squared. All right, the first thing you want to do here in order to solve this is to square both sides, because we want to eliminate that radical. So when I square 5, I get 25, and if I square this side, this square root symbol is going to go away. Let me simplify right in here. -1 minus 3 is -4. -4 quantity squared is +16 plus, all right, I'm going to FOIL this out, and let's remember that's -4 minus y times -4 minus y. So that's going to be +16. And then -4 times -y is going to be +4y, and again, -y times -4 is +4y, so that's going to be plus 8y, and then -y times -y is y squared. Okay, and so then you get 25 is equal to 16 and 16 is 32 plus 8y plus y squared. Okay, and so this is a quadratic, which we will solve by making it equal to 0 and then seeing if it will solve with factoring or the quadratic formula or such. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides first, and this will be 7 here. 32 minus 25 is 7. So I'm going to write this in standard form. I'll have y squared plus 8y, and then 32 minus 25 is 7, so plus 7 equals 0. Now this actually factors. I can write this as y plus 7 times y plus 1, because when I FOIL that, I get y squared, and then 1y, 7y, 1y and 7y makes the 8y, and 7 times 1, of course, is the 7. So then I set each of my linear factors equal to 0, and I get y plus 7 equals 0, or y plus 1 equals 0. And so finally I get y equals -7, or y equals -1. And so the point then, the 2 points are the point 3, -7, the point 3, -1, because remember your x coordinate was the 3. Okay, so let's type this in and see if I got it right. So 3, -7 and 3, 1. So you do parenthesis 3, -7, close parenthesis, then you do a comma to separate your answers, and then parenthesis 3, 1. Or was it -1? I forgot. I think it was -1, right? Yeah. 3, -1. Okay, and let's check the answer. All right, there you go.